Today we will be testing the rational quadratic kernel indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the rational quadratic kernel indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 57 different strategies, with 14 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 755 indicators, with 304 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 12 of the winning indicators. 6 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 64% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the rational quadratic kernel indicator, and you can see it here on screen. Basically very similar to a moving average. I think what I will do is move this into a new pane below, just like this here, so that way it's just a little bit easier to see. Maybe go in and bump up the line weight there, like so. All right, and so as you can probably guess, we have the oscillating line here, and with most moving averages that are up on the price action, generally what we are looking for is a break of the moving average, price action break of the moving average, but every now and then we will get these style moving averages where the line, and again, I'm calling it a moving average. I'm not 100% sure if it is an actual moving average, but anyways, the line here, every now and then we'll get one of these oscillating lines like this that will shift colors, and so it is changing from the red to green and then back again, and so that gives us a pretty clear defined buy sell signals that we are looking for. And so when the line turns red, we are going to go short. When it turns green, we are going to go long. That's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal right here. You can see that we get that shift in the color of the line. and it's pretty much right at the bottom of this move. And so right as we pick that up, we got a little bit of a movement down there, but not quite enough to get us to our take profit before it then rolls and starts to push up really strong there. And that does come up and stop us out there. Actually, we probably flip. Nope, we might have gotten completely stopped out. Nope, not quite, before we then flip to this long signal right here, which is our next signal. And in this particular case, we get a really nice push to the upside pretty much immediately. And that one does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, the next signal that we pick up is a short signal right here. We get a little bit of a pullback right there, which gets really close to our stop, or at least mildly close to the stop, before price then rolls over and starts to push down right here. And it does come down just far enough to get us to our take profit right here. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, the next signal that we pick up is a long signal right here on this one. You see we get the signal right here, and then an immediate nice push to the upside there. That one does come up and get us to our take profit as well. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so before we take a look at what this was able to achieve over the 1 year of testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. This is our Patreon only channel here. This is set up for our patrons to be able to take advantage of just some advanced information that we're posting here. Some of our other members are posting here as well. For example, this is Sasquatch. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He is posting charts pretty much every single day the market is open, posting the charts where they are marked up with areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, even areas most of the time where he is looking to take trades, trade opportunities. And so if you're looking to excel your trading knowledge, really great stuff that you can follow along with Sasquatch here. Our admin Jay is also an amazing trader doing futures trading, and so he is also putting up charts very similar to this, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, where he's looking to enter into trades, take profit, deal. Pretty much same deal like Sasquatch here, like I said. I'm also working on a few things, some basic options trading here. And so recently refined a strategy that I'm working on growing a small account here. It's up about 60% now in the last week. And so a lot of great stuff coming from that I will be sharing with all the patrons as well. And so just in general, a lot of great information if you're looking to take the next step in your trading journey and next step to trading success. I highly recommend that you join us here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Get everything in focus. All right, let's go ahead and count it out and see what we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So we have 26 trades all together, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 winning trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so this indicator kind of fell victim to the same thing that we see often with moving averages. Typically when we are trading the price action break of a moving average, we'll see this kind of clusters of trades take place here. And those of you who are regular viewers of the channel, they've seen this many times before. And so these clusters of losing trades are basically where we get a moment of consolidation or an area where the market hasn't quite figured out what direction it wants to go in, and the indicator reflects that as it bounces from a short to a long to a short to a long. Maybe not that drastic, but enough to get these clusters of losing trades right here, as you can see, where it jumps to a long, then a short, then a long, and then finally a short before it figures out what direction it's actually wanting to go in. And so again, we've seen these clusters of trades many times before. Here's another one. This one was really bad, so we're looking at 5 losing trades before we finally picked up 1 winning trade. And so anytime you have an indicator that's doing something like that, and you're trading it in that fashion, it's just not going to work. It overtrades and heavily outweighs the winning trades with all these losing trades as it's trying to figure out what direction it wants to go in. And so this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.